President, Sir Tito Tony H. Dolor, to our College Directress, Dr. Esperita Dolor, to the Board of Trustees, Dr. Hubert Christopher A. Dolor, Attorney Pumilito A. Dolor, and his beloved Mrs. Eileen Dolor, Engineer Humphrey A. Dolor, and Honorable Humerlito A. Dolor, and his First Lady, Ma'am Hias Dolor. To our school principal, Teacher Jonathan D. Hempes, to our guest speaker, Attorney Maria Fe, to the Head of Education Department, Teacher James Doc Valenzuela, to the Head of Senior High School, Teacher Ruben Marquez, to the members of faculties and staff, to the parents and guardians, and to the graduates and completers, isang magandang kinabukasan hatid ng K-12 sa ating lahat. It's an honor to meet everyone again after 2 years of distance learning. As we solemnize our commencement exercises, we are now proclaimed as graduates of ACMCL College School Year 2021-2022. Our team, K-12 graduates, pursuing dreams and fostering resilience in the face of adversity, surely suited most of us, if not all. Why? Because despite everything that has happened to the country and to the world, amid the global crisis we have been encountering, amid the personal and family struggles we have to face, and amid the academic challenges we have to deal with, we never fail to be resilient and continue to pursue our dreams. Studying during the pandemic has never been easy for everyone, since not all have enough learning materials. Some are struggling to lay out and print. Some are struggling to find a stable internet connection. Some are struggling to obtain the materials needed for performance tasks. And some are struggling to learn all by themselves. Take a look back at the times when we lost motivation to study. Remember the times that we were considering dropping out because we thought we couldn't make it. Remember the times that we were about to give up. But then, a silver lining came that made us move forward. Because as long as our lives go on, there are limitless chances. And here we are now. We survive because we are resilient. We survive because we cannot surrender. We survive because we cannot abandon our dreams for ourselves and for our families. Moreover, distance learning is surely a very tough matter to deal with. Especially, we have to adjust ourselves from the method of learning up to the schedules and responsibilities that we have to take on in our households. Imagine answering modules, doing projects and performance tasks, and attending online classes. Doing that all while playing our roles as a sibling and as a child. That will never be easy, right? But look at ourselves now, wearing our gown, hood, and cap as a sign that we succeeded. That is something we must be very proud of. Let us not forget those who are behind our success. First, let us thank our Almighty God for keeping us safe and secure throughout the entire school year and for giving us the strength to move forward and amid the adversities we are going through. Second, let us thank our parents for consistently guiding, providing, and for not giving up on us even though they have their own problems to face. Let us show them our appreciation for their sacrifices and hard work just for us to have a wonderful future. To my Papa Nomer Malakas and Mama Starcy Malakas, I am giving you my warmest and greatest gratitude and appreciation for not just supporting me financially and morally in my studies, but also for raising me as a well-disciplined and responsible student. Ma, Pa, I am in the stage right now delivering my valedictory address. I hope you are proud of me. And also, I may not tell you this on daily basis, but I am aware of your sacrifices to work under sun and overseas just to provide for my wants and needs. I can tell you how lucky I am to have you as my parents. Right now, there are two things I can promise you. First, I will never disappoint you as I step into my next journey. I will do everything even if that means I'll be separating from you. Another thing I can promise is I will pay everything back once I succeeded. It might not be as much as you gave me, but I hope it will do. To my grandparents, aunties, and uncles, both from Malakas and Gumaro sides, thank you for helping me have the courage in every path I choose. Third, let us thank our alma mater, ACMCL College, for being our second home, for introducing me as the world full of adventures, missions, and responsibilities, and for preparing us to the challenges we have to face in real life. Fourth, let us thank our Board of Trustees and administrative staffs for maintaining an institution whose graduates are God-loving, productive, self-reliant, patriotic, environment-friendly, and globally competitive. Let us thank them for being the reason why this institution keeps running and serving as a center of development and excellence, despite the crisis we are facing. To our principal, Jared Hempes, thank you for trusting and believing that we can do it, that we can succeed and reach at this point. Thank you for your cooperation and assistance while I was preparing for my college applications. Fifth, let us thank our advisors and subject teachers who invested their time and efforts to discuss every lesson and activity because no matter how hard it is to explain repeatedly, they knew we needed them. To all the subject teachers who guided me for my 6 years of stay here, thank you for enlightening me about different fields and matters I have to learn and enrich. To the ARC scribe and our advisor, Teacher Princess Karen Hernandez and Teacher Roslyn Bayabay, thank you for allowing me to continue my journey as a student journalist. To the ACMCL Brass Band, as well as our advisor, Teacher Virgilio M. Bernate. Even though I never get to play for the last 2 years, I am still grateful for the bonding and memories we shared throughout the 3 years of membership. It would take me some time, but let me thank all the advisors who have been with me as I grow up. To my very first advisor, Teacher Jenny Rose Falla, you were with me during the first steps of my Montessorian journey. You exposed me to the changes I have to deal with and the challenges I have to face throughout my high school life. You consistently preached and guided us despite of our behavior before. Chair Jen, whether you are present here or not, I want you to see that this mischievous student of yours is standing right here. To Teacher Rosemary Alilao, thank you for being a friend and a sister to us. To Teacher Dominic Gruta, thank you for being an uncle to us. To Teacher Christine Abe, thank you for being our second mother, our best friend, and our shoulder to rely on. I want to thank our current and last advisor, Teacher Bernadette Obedosa, for accompanying us to the last steps of our Montessorian journey. On behalf of my STEM and ABM students, we want to thank you for consistently reminding us to finish and accomplish every pending requirement. And thank you for giving us countless considerations and for lending your patience to all of us. We might not be able to bond in the classroom, but what matters the most is we were able to feel the love and care you invested in each of us. Let us also thank those who kept us company during our adventure. To my friends in junior high school who are with us today, as well as the new friends I made throughout my senior high school years, thank you for keeping me company. And to Aldrin May and Isabel Luis, even though you are not here, I am still grateful for being with me, even though you have your own problems to face. And to another friend of make a change. I can tell how grateful I am to you for being a huge part of what I become today. And I want you to know that this version of mine that exists right at this moment wouldn't have existed if it wasn't for you. Lastly, let us appreciate ourselves for reaching this far. Today, I proudly congratulate all of you. Now, I am asking you to clap for yourselves. To the graduates of senior high school, this ceremony is not the end of our journey because this day marks just the beginning of our mission. Whether we are applying for our first job or entering college, the real challenge has just started. It may be a long and tough path to take, but let us not forget to enjoy and seize the moment we will be in. Once again, to all graduates and completers, this is Niña Amor Malakas, your ACMCL College Senior High Class Valedictorian of School Year 2021-2022. Congratulations!